Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna smash it with an awesome 5-minute full body workout. That's right, just 5 minutes to get your heart pumping, your muscles working, and those endorphins flowing. The beauty of this workout is you can do it absolutely anywhere. At home, in the park, even on holiday. No equipment needed, just your body weight and a can-do attitude. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. All right, team. First up, it's a classic for a reason, jumping jacks. This exercise is a fantastic way to kick off any workout session. It's simple, effective, and gets your whole body moving. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, jumping jacks are a great way to get your blood flowing and your muscles warmed up. We're gonna get that heart rate up and warm up those muscles. Jumping jacks are not just about jumping. They are about coordination, rhythm, and getting into the groove. As you jump, feel the energy building up inside you. This is the start of something great. Come on, find your space and let's do this. Feet together, hands by your side. Make sure you have enough room around you to move freely. Safety first, always. Now take a deep breath and get ready to jump into action. Now jump those legs out and clap those hands overhead. Feel the stretch in your arms and legs as you move. This is a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. That's it, nice and controlled. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and land softly. Remember, it's not about how high you jump, but how well you control your movements. Focus on your form to avoid any injuries and to maximize the benefits of this exercise. Feel that energy surge through you. Jumping jacks are not just a physical exercise. They are a mental boost as well. As you move, think about your goals and how this workout is bringing you one step closer to achieving them. Let the positive vibes flow. We're waking up the body, getting the blood pumping. This is the perfect way to start any workout routine. It prepares your body for more intense exercises and helps prevent injuries. Plus, it's a lot of fun. Remember, it's just 5 minutes of effort, and you're gonna feel amazing afterwards. 5 minutes might seem short, but it's enough to get your heart rate up and your body ready for more. Consistency is key, and every little bit counts. Keep those smiles wide, keep that energy high, and keep those jumping jacks going. Your enthusiasm is contagious. When you smile and enjoy the workout, it becomes easier and more enjoyable. Spread the positive energy to those around you. We're almost there. 10 more seconds. And stop! Great job, everyone. You've just completed a fantastic warm-up. Take a moment to catch your breath, grab some water, and get ready for the next part of our workout. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, fitter you. Keep up the great work. Okay, awesome work. You've made it this far, and now it's time to take things up a notch. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise to build upper body strength, and they can be done anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or even outdoors, push-ups are a versatile and effective way to enhance your fitness. Now let's hit those upper body muscles with some push-ups. Push-ups target multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. They are a compound exercise, meaning they work several muscles at once, making them incredibly efficient. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up, we can modify it. There are several variations to suit different fitness levels. You can start with wall push-ups, then progress to knee push-ups, and eventually work your way up to full push-ups. The key is to maintain proper form and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. Find a clear space on the floor. Make sure you have enough room to extend your body fully. A clutter-free area will help you focus on your form and prevent any accidents. Hands shoulder-width apart, fingers pointing forward. This hand placement ensures that your shoulders, elbows, and wrists are aligned, reducing the risk of injury and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Now, lower your chest towards the floor, keeping your body in a straight line. Engage your core and glutes to maintain this alignment. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground. Then pause for a moment to feel the tension in your muscles. Imagine a plank, nice and strong. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This position not only works your upper body, but also strengthens your core, making it a full body exercise. Now push back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than to do many reps with poor form. Focus on controlled movements and proper technique. If you need to, drop to your knees for a modified push-up. This variation reduces the load on your upper body, making it easier to perform the exercise while still building strength. As you get stronger, you can gradually transition to full push-ups. Keep that core engaged, back straight, and breathe. You've got this. Breathing is crucial during push-ups. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up. This helps maintain a steady rhythm and ensures that your muscles get the oxygen they need. Feel those muscles working. Feel that strength building. Each push-up brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. Pay attention to the sensations in your muscles and enjoy the process of getting stronger. We're almost there. Just a few more reps. Stay focused and keep pushing. The last few reps are often the most challenging, but they are also the most rewarding. Push through the burn and finish strong. And stop! Amazing work! You've just completed a set of push-ups, and that's no small feat. Celebrate your accomplishment and take a moment to rest. Remember, consistency is key, so keep practicing and you'll continue to see progress. Great job! Fantastic! Now let's work those legs and glutes with some squats. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your back straight, chest up, and core engaged. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as you can comfortably go. Then push through your heels and stand back up. That's one rep. Remember, keep those knees in line with your toes. Feel that burn in your legs. That's what we want. We're building strength and endurance. Keep pushing. You're doing great. And stop. All right, time to fire up that core with a plank. Get down on the floor, resting on your forearms. Elbows should be directly below your shoulders. Now, extend your legs back, coming up onto your toes. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position, engaging your core, squeezing your glutes, and tucking your pelvis in. Breathe deeply and hold strong. Remember, if it starts to burn, that's a good sign. We're working those deep core muscles, building stability and strength. Keep your eyes focused on the floor, a few inches in front of your hands. Almost there. Hold that plank strong. And release. Okay, team, last exercise. Let's finish strong with some burpees. This is the final push, the last hurdle. You've come so far, and now it's time to give it everything you've got. Burpees are a fantastic way to end our session because they work every muscle group and really test your endurance. This is a full-body exercise that will get your heart rate pumping. It's not just about strength, but also about cardiovascular endurance. You'll feel your heart racing, your muscles burning, and your determination being tested. But remember, this is where you grow stronger, both physically and mentally. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. This is your starting position. Make sure your body is aligned and you're ready to move. Proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Now squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. This movement engages your core and legs. Feel the power in your thighs and the stability in your core as you lower yourself down. Kick your feet back into a plank position. This is a dynamic movement that requires coordination and strength. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core to keep your hips from sagging. Do a push-up, or lower your chest to the floor if you need to. This part of the burpee targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you're feeling strong, go for a full push-up. If you need to modify, that's perfectly okay. Listen to your body. Jump your feet back up to your hands. This explosive movement brings you back to the squat position. Feel the power in your legs as you drive your feet forward. You're almost there. Then explode upwards in a jump, reaching your arms overhead. That's one rep. This final jump is where you give it your all. Reach for the sky. Feel the energy surge through your body. Each rep is a victory. Keep going. Push yourself. You've got this. Every rep counts. Every second matters. This is where you dig deep and find that inner strength. Remember why you started and keep pushing forward. Remember, it's just 30 seconds of work, then you're done. 30 seconds might feel like a long time, but it's just a blink in the grand scheme of things. Focus on your form, your breathing, and keep moving. Dig deep, find that energy, and give it your all. And stop. You've done it. Feel the rush of accomplishment. Take a moment to catch your breath and appreciate the hard work you've put in. Great job, everyone. Give yourselves a massive high five. You just completed an awesome 5-minute full body workout. Remember, consistency is key. Try to fit this workout in a few times a week, and you'll start to see and feel amazing results. Don't forget to listen to your body, take breaks when you need them, and most importantly, have fun. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome workouts, and share it with your friends. Let's get everyone moving. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep smashing it.